Have you heard the news? Traffic in India is getting smarter and not in the way you might think. You see, gone are the days when we could break the rules of the road and get away from penalties. Why, you might ask? Well, the traffic department has implemented a state-of-the-art facial recognition system, and it's turning India into modern marvel. The Bengaluru Traffic Department has partnered with Honeywell Automation India and installed over 4,100 CCTVs equipped with facial recognition technology as a part of Bengaluru's Safety City project. And let me tell you, they are not messing around. This project is so serious that the government has invested almost 500 crore rupees to make Bengaluru a safer city for women. But it's not just about cameras. The project has installed 30 safety islands with continuous surveillance and emergency call box to contact the department, as well as 8 drones and 400 body-worn cameras for the police. They even have mobile command center with state law enforcement for quick response time. Now, I know what you're thinking. This all sounds a bit Orwellian, but you're not wrong. The facial recognition system feeds face images into its database and captures facial images from real-time CCTV footage. And get this, the system can even compare faces with images from previous video footages in the database. It's like something straight out of a sci-fi movie. But here's the catch. The system isn't 100% accurate, and it can result in misidentification or even fail to identify people altogether. And that's not the only problem. The use of facial recognition technology can also pose significant threat to people's fundamental rights, such as their right to privacy and freedom of expression. Despite these concerns, the use of facial recognition technology is gradually increasing across the country, thanks for various government projects like the Bengaluru Safe City project. So my friend, be careful out there on the roads and always remember, Big Brother is watching.